Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set up your voicemail on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now, first, tap on the phone application to start setting up voicemail. Now, you need to put in the phone number of your network carrier voicemail. Now, every network carrier is different, so the number that I put in here will be different to the number that you put in. Now I'm going to put in my network carrier voice number setup, and I'm going to tap on dial.
Afternoon. Welcome to your new mailbox. Please enter your new PIN, followed by the hash key.
So I'm going to now put up the PIN because this is the first time I'm actually using voicemail. Okay, so once I put in my PIN,
Main menu.
presented with
To
a
manage
greeting
your
message.
greetings, press 2. To change your mailbox settings, press 3.
So I'm going to press 2.
Using the system greeting. To set up your all calls greeting, press 1. To set up your all calls greeting, press 1.
Okay, I'm going to press 1.
This greeting has not been recorded. To record this greeting, press 3. Please record your greeting. Press the hash key when you're finished.
Hey guys, I'm not free at the moment. Please give me a call back later when I'm free. Thanks.
Greeting recorded. To deactivate this greeting, press the hash key. To listen to this greeting, press 1. To delete.
Hey guys, I'm not free at the moment. Please give me a call back later when I'm free. Thanks.
To deactivate this greeting, press the hash key.
So
Greeting deactivated. To activate this greeting, press the hash key. To listen to this greeting, press 1. To delete this greeting, press 2. To greeting deleted. To record this greeting, press 3. Please record your greeting. Press the hash key when you're finished.
Hey guys, I'm busy at the moment. Please text me. Thanks.
Greeting recorded. To deactivate this greeting, press the hash key. To listen to this greeting, press 1. To delete this greeting, press 2. To re-record this greeting, press 3.
And that's it. So you can see I have set up the greeting messages in my voicemail.
To delete this greeting, press 2. To re-record this greeting, press 3.
And I don't think there is an option to go back to the previous menu.
To deactivate this greeting,
so I'm just going to end the call now. So here I'm going to press on 3.
To manage your greetings, press 2. To change your mailbox settings,
so you can change
your login options, press 1. To change your notification settings, press 3. You're using SMS notification. To disable SMS notification, press 1. To return to the previous menu, press star. For help administering your mailbox, press 0. To set up your login options, press 1. To change your notification settings, press 3. To change your PIN, press 1. To disable PIN skip option, press 2.
And there you go. So you can see once you dial into your voicemail box, there are some settings that you could change, such as setting up new PIN, setting up new greeting messages, or deactivating it. And that's it. So that's how you can set up your voicemail box on your Galaxy S21 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.